I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins at the closing market minute for Monday, September 15th. Soybeans and corn both closed lower, seeing some profit taking after Friday's post-USDA report gains. The USDA numbers were bearish, even if the initial reactions weren't, so this was just kind of a correction to start the week. Soybeans and corn continue to keep an eye on U.S. harvest activity, with the USDA expected to publish their first national soybean harvest number of the season later on Monday afternoon. Weekly export inspections numbers on corn, soybeans, and for that matter wheat, all pretty good. Wheat did end the session mixed, consolidating, keeping an eye on the very tail end of U.S. spring wheat harvest activity, in addition to winter wheat planting conditions in the plains in the eastern Midwest, along with development weather in Argentina and Australia. The trade at this point is expecting some decent production out of both Argentina and Australia following recent rainfall. Live and feeder cattle were sharply higher, supported by supply concerns. Market-ready numbers remain generally very tight, and this week's show list does look mostly lower than last week across all of the major feeding areas. Box beef was higher at midday, and those factors helped cattle shrug off some of last week's direct cash cattle bearishness. And hogs closed modestly higher, supported by the firm midday pork that strengthened cattle and their discount to the cash index. Gains might have been a little bit limited during Monday's session by a lack of ag news coming out of the latest round of trade talks between the United States and China. With the closing market minute for Monday, September 15th, I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins.